What if a single word could flatten a mountain, but a sneeze couldn't even shake a leaf? Black Bolt, king of the Inhumans, wields one of the deadliest powers in the MCU, a voice so powerful, even a whisper can level cities. But here's the twist. Despite that apocalyptic vocal strength, sneezing or coughing doesn't trigger his destructive ability. This is because his sonic energy is neurologically tied only to conscious speech. Scientists in the MCU suggest Black Bolt's brain channels power through the same region that governs deliberate verbal communication. Reflexive actions like sneezing or coughing are processed elsewhere. That means, while Black Bolt must maintain incredible self-discipline not to speak, his involuntary reflexes pose no threat. A shout is lethal, but a sneeze is harmless. Crazy, right? Want more mind-blowing Marvel facts? Hit the subscribe button.